Point 3 is another vertical ribbon-like tissue located around the medial 1/3 of the eyebrow. Both point 2 and point 3 are also great for relieving visual fatigue and nearsightedness. For point 3, you are looking for a vertical ribbon-like tissue. Please pay attention to my hand. Find the midpoint of the eyebrow, then probe around the section of its medial 1/3 to find this point. 1, 2, 3. Others should feel sore or numb. Lateral superior to point 3, that is where point 4 is. Both of them belong to the same tissue but different parts. Apply similar kneading techniques. 1, 2, 3. Complete 3 sets for better results. Point 3 and 4 can be connected through a line that runs from the middle of the eyebrow to the corner of the forehead. That's line 2. Point 4, a ribbon-like tissue, is located at the upper and outward of point 3. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3.